ISOKO wade, Master Vivi. With this, I welcome you to another episode of our ISOKO language class. And today I'm going to take you to an episode where an ISOKO will say major if I run your mind. A lot of people think we don't have ISOKO words for some things that are said. So I want you to follow me so that we'll tell you how ISOKO man call or pronounce some of these things that you know. And I'm going to start with the world. The worlds, ISOKO man calls it Akbo. Worlds, Akbo. Earth, Ota Bososo. Earth, Ota Bososo. Ground or the land is Oto. Ground or the land is Oto. Soil, Ubiekbe Oto. Ubiekbe Oto. Sand is Ekbe. Ekbe. When they are molds or they are clumped together, you call it Uekbe. Uekbe. When they are gathered together like trees, or you see them now. Uekbe. So sand is Ekbe or Ekbe. When they are gathered together, is Uekbe. That is for sand. Then clay is Ovie. Clay is Ovie. Red clay is Olapa. Olapa, that's red clay. We said clay is Ovie, basically the white one. And that white one is Ovie that you see by the riverside or whatever is Ovie. Then the red one is Olapa. Then crude oil is Egurioto. So each time you want to talk about the crude oil, you say Egurioto, meaning oil from the ground. Crude oil, Egurioto. Iron is Ogbe. Ogbe. Did you get that now? Iron is Ogbe. Then bushy path is Ogbe. Bushy path is Ogbe. So that's the difference. Iron is Ogbe. Ogbe. Then bushy path, meaning when you're in the forest or somewhere and it's bushy, maybe not thick forest, we call it Ogbe. Ogbe. So bushy path is Ogbe, whereas the iron is Ogbe. Just that differentiation now. Then gold is Oro. Oro is gold. Oro. When they were beginning to borrow from the English language, sometimes calling it Igoru. If not, the right word for gold in ISOKO is Oro. Oro. Silver is Ero. Ero. That's silver. Ero. Or is silver like some will say, but the ISOKO language for silver is Ero. Brass. Izu. Izu is brass. Then carry is Ugabe. Ugabe. Also we say Ubugabe. That's carries. Carry. Ugabe or Ubugabe. Then sea or ocean is Abadi. Whether it's sea or the ocean is called Abadi. That's for the sea or the ocean. Island is Ovabadi or Etopa. Etopa. Dry land by the river or by the water is called Opa. Seashell is Akreiko. Akreiko is seashell. Akreiko is seashell. Then seaweed is Isu or Itebetebe. That's for the seaweed. There's a leaf you see on the water. It's called Isu or Itebetebe. That's for the seaweed. Till I see you in next class. Please share, comment, like.